because it's, look at that. So there's not a single one that doesn't have an issue on it. Now I bought a kit that comes with everything, and believe it or not, I believe I paid, I think it was $34 or $44, and it actually comes with every piece for the left and right side. So now once you're gonna start, you gotta remove, I'm working on the right side passenger door front, and you gotta remove this screw. Now if this is missing this cover, you gotta remove the screw from there. Then you can actually pop this open by just sticking a flat screwdriver on the side, and the same thing you do with this. So basically what you do, you just kind of like pop it up. Make sure you go over this when you're trying to pop it up. You go kind of like this and then do this, and it'll pop up. Once it does, you get your Phillips and you remove these screws, which is the next step that I was about to do. And in total, you got like 1, 2, 3, and 4 screws. And we'll see what happens after this. Okay, so now that's ready to be taken out. But before you do, you got to lower the window, which is something I'm about to do. Okay, there we go. Once you remove this screw, you'll have removed this and these 2 screws, and you have popped this bottom side out. The next thing you got to do is push this up, but the only way to do that, you actually pull it up from that side like this, but you got to stick your screwdriver under here. So this is how you do it. I can record and actually do it at the same time, so I'm going to use my hand. I will show it after, but that's exactly how to do it. So before you stick your screwdriver in here, what you need to do is lift this area, kind of like that. Then you stick your hand in there to be able to grab it and lift. Then you use your screwdriver on this side, and it pops right up right away. Second, which is now visible, so that you can replace the new part. There you go. So you got 2 wires there, and you got 2 connections here, one on the top, another at the bottom right here, and that's where those go. Now you don't actually have to take these things apart. Now before you close this section and put that in here, use a 10 size socket to remove those screws from back there, so that you can replace this handle here. So don't forget to do that before doing anything else. You may have to come to this side and actually hold this while you turn with the socket, so that you don't allow this to turn, or you'll be wasting your time there for a while. Actually, the socket can hold it on that side, and you could actually remove it from this side. Hey, that's better. The other side isn't turning, so it's better to do it from this side. You could try both, whichever works for you. Have to remove that wire from that clip, which is the one that actually opens the door as you pull to open. And so as you can see, it's locked in. We got to remove that. Now, next thing, you got to remove the lock from this cylinder here. So you have to, again, use that 10 size socket and remove the screw to be able to do that. That way you can actually put this, the same lock, use the same key and the same door handle. Now, in order to safely put it on, you're gonna have to remove this piece, separate it from this. And the way you do that, you're gonna have to like kind of like unclip it from here and this side, and the entire piece comes off. So you may think that it's gonna be a problem with those springs there, because when you first look at it, it looks like it's part of this thing, but it's not. So make sure you remove this, put it on the door first. So basically we just slide it on. See that? Kind of like put those clips on there and slide it on. So before doing that, we're gonna put these on. Okay, and once that's done, then we can go ahead and put the cover and then add this piece right on there that will go on the other side. This cover back on. So during this installation process, you're gonna have to be bringing this window up or down depending on what you're doing. So when you're removing this handle, if the glass is down, you won't be able to get your hands in there because of the glass. So that's when you bring that up. Now when you're putting the cover, you're gonna have to lower the window all over again and make sure nothing's on your way. Now once it's on there, make sure you bang all the way around so the clips that lock the cover onto the frame actually lock in there. And of course we got to put these screws back on. Sometimes certain models don't actually change that much, so they're practically almost similar, except for the newer vehicles. They got a bunch of new stuff on them. But anyway, this is almost done here. Can you see all those clips on there? Those are the ones that actually lock right on there. So make sure that thing goes right on there. There you go. Now for the final piece. Oh, look at that. Nice. Okay. Now make sure that when you remember which screws you remove, make sure you remember where you removed them from. Because this screw here, I was trying to put on there. Now this one has a washer. This one doesn't. So obviously it wasn't fitting. But there you go. Now this is the front right passenger door. Okay, so that completes this installation.